Yo, what is good, everybody? It's your boy Clutch back with another video, and today I'm showing y'all how you can make $1,000 a day using this app called Zynn. I think it's called. I don't know the actual pronunciation. I'm pretty sure it's Zynn. You see in the title, you see in the thumbnail. You can make $1,000 a day with this app by watching videos, but you don't want to be watching videos. Watching videos gets you barely any money. You watch around about 3 to 4 videos for anywhere from 4 cents to 20 cents. So sometimes you'll get lucky and there'll be a big one. You'll get like 60 cents or like 70 cents, but still, for watching 3 to 4 videos, and I mean that rarely ever happens, it's not really worth it. What y'all want to do is right here. You see it says my referral code. You want to copy that, and you want to get all your friends to use that code. You want to get everybody to use that code. You guys can use my code. It's going to be in the description and the pinned comment. Make sure to go ahead and use my code because it supports out me and supports the channel, and I did show you about this. And if you use someone's code, you get $1, so why not use mine? Because I mean, you know what I'm saying? I showed y'all the app. Now, as you see, I've only made $15. That's actually a lie. I have made $20. If you look at the cash sheet, I did a wager yesterday and I lost $5. Had to give that away. But you see, I have invited 6 people. You see, I got $1 for just joining, and I invited 6 people, and I got a extra how much? Like $18. Yeah, $18. Extra $18, and I did get $1 from these points, which, like I said, you get points by watching videos. You can watch these videos and get points, but it's not the most efficient way to actually get money. You want to copy this link and you want to spam this everywhere. It says invite friends to earn up to $110. I'm pretty sure they did put a cap on it to $110, because when this first came out, I saw people getting like thousands of dollars a day just by, like, because they have like big platforms and stuff. So if you have a big platform and you are, like, you know, pretty well known, you got like 10k plus subs on YouTube, you got like 10k plus followers on Instagram, something like that, you should be able to make like a good amount of money off of this. And once you get up to that $110, you can just make a new account, and then yeah, you can just make a whole new account and then redo it. But basically, you can't log out of this account. I actually did post on here just to see like how it was. I posted some random memes. You guys can follow me, and if you want to, clutch the plug. I don't really post on here. I just post memes. But yeah, that besides the point. Like, you can make a new account on your phone, but you can't use your own referral code if it's on the same phone. So if you have like 2 or 3 different phones or something, or you have an emulator on your computer or something like that, download the app and use your code, because that's an easy way to make some money. I actually 3 of these, or no, 2 of these are from different phones. I still have another phone to do. As you see, I have 3 of these. 2 of these are from a different phone. One's from somebody else, like, that actually decided to support me on my Instagram story. But yeah, if you guys have different phones, go ahead and use your referral code on those accounts. Like, make a new account on that phone and use your referral code. And also, if you guys do download this, I'm gonna have a link in the description to download it and pin comment. And like I said, my referral code will be in the description and pin comment, so make sure to go ahead and download that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you're new. Peace out.